I'm with Early Ewing. He's Sales Development Manager for Universal Robots. Universal, you're a general purpose robot maker. This is specialized purpose, if ever there was one. We're talking about welding here. How did you create this project where you're integrating essentially this welding technology?
It's kind of an interesting story, you know, in the territory that I've come up in with this company in Texas, we see a lot of process-based manufacturing, okay? So we go and, you know, the pick and place stuff takes off all right. There's definitely a market for that. But when we go to trade shows, for instance, in Houston, we demo the robot with ARC Specialties, right? Trace around a podium. We'd always get the question, hey, can you weld with this? We do a lot of welding. We have a shortage of welders. We can't find people. So we started investigating, all right, is this possible with the UR? And we found a couple of things out there where people have integrated this, but there really wasn't a true direction for a solution. ARC Specialties, being an integration partner of ours at the time, was a perfect fit to bring in welding expertise along with our robot. So we make a robot that's very easy to program, okay? But we didn't know how to make the welding part of that easy to program. So through Universal Robots Plus, which is our program where we bring in third-party developers to create plug-and-play solutions for our customers, they were able to take their knowledge and apply that into a software package and a hardware package that integrates seamlessly with the Universal Robot. So now, not only is the robot motion very easy and intuitive for a customer to pick up, the welding component of that is also very easy to use in conjunction with the robot. So it does further lowers that integration barrier.
It's a slightly different way of approaching it, because I know traditionally for a lot of people that want to automate a robotic process, they start in the middle. They start with an integrator or someone who says, I can design a cell for you, and then they'll pull in maybe an orange robot or a yellow robot, and they'll pull in another gantry setup for another vendor, and then a power supply from a third vendor yet, and screw it all together. And then you get that finger pointing thing that happens if it doesn't work. In this case, sort of one-stop shopping.
Well, typically you have to have, you know, a low mix, high volume production setup to justify the kind of cost that comes along with what you just described. Okay, and for our target customer, you know, job shops, people with high mix, low volume, people that just don't have that kind of capital budget, you know, that's usually the playground that we participate in with Universal Robots, you know, to transfer a lot of that value to the consumer. And this is a perfect example of that. So you typically won't need an integrator with this. You just need to know what you're doing. We offer a lot of free online training, in-person training, at no additional cost to the customer. Of course, the software is included. All the package with everything you need to make this work is included in the UR Plus as part of the certification process.
Now, if I'm a job shop or small manufacturer, what if I've scored a big contract, I got 2,000 or 3,000 weldments I've got to do, but after that, another customer comes in and it's not a welding job at all at this point. I can recycle this equipment and then change it over to do other things.
Well, that's a very great point, okay? Because this is 4 bolts and a flange. One of the things about Universal Robots is they're very portable and very easy to redeploy. So if you need to weld with this one day, undo 4 bolts the next day, attach a gripper, do pick and place, or do deburring, that's absolutely possible. And due to the compact footprint and ease of redeployment of this robot, that makes it a very low-cost proposition to do. If you need to weld again, you have all the equipment, you have all the software, reattach it, get to work.
It's a welding cell that's automated, but at its heart, it's a Universal Robot, so you can use it for many applications, says Early Ewing.